Good morning, and this is Mrs. Perry with NTI day number 9 with the theme. Today we are doing science, and a lot of you hopefully saw this in the beginning of the year with Miss Sheffield when Miss Perry wasn't here. If not, we'll definitely try to come back and do this as a whole. It's really fun. But I kind of want you to see right here where it says seed dispersal. Dispersal, you might start to understand what that word means once we get done reading this passage, but dispersal just means to kind of spread out. That's where that part disperse kind of comes in. So when water and animals are all helpful in dispersing seeds, this is important so that plants will have enough space, sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow. Lightweight seeds are blown by the wind to places far away from the parent plant. Seeds with hooks or sticky seeds get stuck to hair, fur, clothing, and get moved to new places before they fall off. Running water also helps move seeds to new places. Animals ingest fruit that contains seed and deposit them after they pass through the digestive tract. Okay, let's stop and let's talk about some of these words. So I saw dispersing again. Dispersing really just means to spread. Hold on. To spread out. Okay, another word that I noticed that that was a tough and challenging word, and I don't really know what that word means right away. So I need to go back and I need to think about what vocabulary strategies I could use. So another one was animals ingest. Okay, so animals ingest fruit that contains seeds. Well, I know that we eat fruit, so I'm using a connection. So ingest means to eat and deposit them after they pass through the digestive tract. Okay, I want you all to think about what happens when you eat a lot of food and it goes through your tummy, and that's what's happening right here. Okay, so now let's look right here. Take a look outside at your backyard. What do you see? Draw a picture of everything you see in your yard. Be sure to include any trees, flower, grass, or animals that you see. So I'll give you a little picture of Miss Perry's back porch. Okay, so I got my grill, I got my patio furniture, I've got I've got 3 nice trees growing in the back. They're really tall. Okay, so, and then I've got some grass growing in the backyard, and then I got my neighbor's fence in the back. Okay, so I tried to include, I don't really have any flowers, but I did include trees, grass, and then let me draw Rex. It's a really bad picture of him, I'm sorry. So, there's my picture. So now let's look down here and think about identify 2 ways seeds could disperse in your yard. Again, to spread out. Now I can go back in the text. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back in the text and find my answers because I know I saw those and those are green questions. So they can disperse by being blown by the wind, okay, getting stuck to hair, fur, clothing, and get moved to new places before they fall off, running water, and then animals eat them. So I actually found 4. So I could write I can write all 4, or you can just identify 2 ways seeds could be dispersed. Here are your sentence starters. The first way seeds disperse is. The second way seeds disperse is. Okay, and then you're going to fill in your answer on that bottom line, okay? All right, let me know if you guys have any questions, if you need any help.